Did you like that segment? I did. But let's keep it going. I'm gonna continue showing you how you dominate black using color. You see, it just don't stop with the clothes. It continues with the shades. See? Put on your full armor of your passion. Let's keep it going. Western GQ for the passion and a whole lot of fashion.
How you play the game with the people that writing the rules? Ain't the fame that I'm after when playing.
Anybody else want to go high with the fashion? Jan said she do. She do. She want to go high with the fashion, so hey, let's take it on up. Nicky said, yeah, you want to go high. Now, I always try my best to tell all my cowboys and all of my cowgirls is one thing. Put on your full armor of your fashion. What does that mean, dear Rich? Well, what is armor in your fashion? Well, your lid. You gotta have a hat on, right? That just let everybody know that I'm a cowboy, right? I got on my tie. I got on my vest. I got on my shirt. I even got my waist jewelry on and my boots. But what's missing is what? My eye jewelry. You gotta have some eye jewelry, man. See, Johnny says she loves a well-dressed man. See? Lucky Charms, boy, she just loves it all the time. She just loves everything that I do. She does. But man, look, I'm a cowboy. See, a lot of guys, when they're out in their Western fashion, right? They pretty much look like everybody else. Ain't nothing wrong with looking like everybody else, right? But when you start separating yourself from everybody else, well, the way you do that is through accessorizing. See, the women got it down. They got it down pat. They got their nails done. They get their hair done. They toes done, man. They have on they, man, they know how to do this. They jewelry, they rings, man, they belts, they scarves, they do it. But us guys, sometimes think that's not even necessary. And it's not necessary. But what it does is, it separates your fashion from everybody else. See, I'll be the only guy. I'm going to a smoke shop today. I'm going to a cigar shop. Matter of fact, Cigar International this evening, man, is really, really nice here in Dallas, and I'm going. There's gonna be guys with cowboy hats. There's gonna be guys with boots. But I guarantee you one thing. What is that, D. Rich? They would not look like me. I'm just trying to tell you. See, they're not gonna look like me. See, look, that's fashion. Color. You see how this color dominates the black? It dominates the black. Color dominates the black. It dominates white. I'm just trying to tell you. Lucky says she loves the vest. Yes. Jenna said, my God. See, she like that. That's fashion. See, look, I can tuck it. And then, even got my Western GQ pen right there. You see that Western GQ pen right there? Boy, y'all gotta get y'all one of them pens, man. Boy, these pens are hot off the press. I gotta put them down there in my chart, man, where y'all can get you one. That should be the first thing that everybody get. Something like that, you can wear with everything you got. You can represent your boy, Western GQ, full of passion and a whole lot of what? Put it in the chat. Y'all know what it is. Whole lot of what? Full of passion and a whole lot of what? Tell them Lucky Charms. Tell them, folks, champ, y'all know. Fashion, my boy Lewis said. See? My boy Lewis know it. What up, Lewis? I ain't know using that in the chat, man. That's my boy here. Boy, when I come to these lives, I look forward to seeing that dude right there with that clean hat on his profile. Fashion is the deal. Fashion. Man, if I tell you this, man, this is clean. But it ain't clean enough. Who want to go higher? See, I call this the elevator ride to fashion. Oh, my girl is in the house. Nyota Z. Girl, what up? When she come in here, man, she don't play no games. Y'all see how all them popular votes she just gave her boy? She comes in here, I'm talking about treacherous with the gifting. Boy, that's my GI Earl. What up, Nyota? She said, hey, love, what's up, girl? What took you so long? I've been waiting on you. You're a lucky charm, boy. I be waiting on y'all when y'all get in here. Yeah, I do. Hey, what's up? So let me kiss my girl now, Yoda. Man, we started out all black, but I'm just trying to teach and illustrate to our class that black needs color. So what I did was I just put on a real cool vest and a real cool jacket, right? To dominate the black, right? But let's dominate the blue. I'm gonna show y'all right now how to dominate the blue. Now what do you mean by that, D Rich? What do you mean by dominating the blue? Ooh, boy, I thought you knew. See, check it out. What you want to do is find what's called tertiary and secondary colors. Primary colors are the colors that's the basic color that builds every color, which is your red, your blue, and your yellow, right? And then when you start putting secondary colors, right? When you start mixing your blues and your blues and your yellows, you get green, right? And then you mix your red and your blues, you get violet, right? But then the tertiary colors are the colors that are opposite, right? In the color wheel. For example, right? You got your oranges, you got your purples, right? That's opposite of your purple and your yellows, right? You got all these oranges that's opposite blues. All these, they're called tertiary colors, right? So now they all match. When you learn that, you'll know how to match colors. For example, let me show you this. Yellow. Let me show you yellow. I gotta show you yellow. I gotta show you some yellow. I gotta show you some yellow. See? I gotta show you some yellow. Look. What if I took off the black? See? I'm just showing you how to dominate with color. See? The black, we started out as black. Now we got blue. Well, let's take off this black. And let's try some yellow. Yellow, dear Rich? Man, y'all just don't even know. Let me show you what yellow looks like. Let me show you what yellow. You got long, that is, man. We're not gonna keep it like that. We're gonna take it like this, right? We're gonna flip it down. We're gonna open it up like curtains. See that? See them curtains right there? Curtains. Then we're gonna tuck it. See, watch this. I'm gonna show you how it dominates. See? That scarf, this dominates. Look at that. Man, it's beautiful. D-Rich, that's beautiful. That's beautiful, D-Rich. Boy, I sound like Bob Ross. Remember Bob Ross with the big afro? Boy, that's beautiful, D-Rich. Yeah, lovely. Lovely, D-Rich. I gotta be a clown around here. See how that is, man? One piece of color just changed the whole outfit. How about two pieces? Oh, that's a beautiful one. Hey, look at that. Color. See what color do? Oh, yeah, man. It's the Western GQ. Full of passion with a whole lot of fashion. Four Champ said that's lovely. And look at all those hearts and those puffs that my girl Lucky Charm just sent her boy. See? It's called style, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a cowboy. See, I'm not over here trying to show you how well I'm dressing. I'm just trying to show you how you can take your Western wear to a whole nother level. Ain't you tired of seeing the same people look the same everywhere you go? Ain't you tired of wearing the same thing? Don't really know what to, you know what I'm saying? How to switch your outfit up? You know, my lady say, man, I'm tired of eating chicken all the time. I want something different. I don't want it. And she like chicken, but she tired of eating it. And she wants something different. Man, I'm tired of all the foods in the world. That means that we want to expand her taste buds, right? Well, how about you expand your fashion buds? Expand them. Quit rotating the same outfits every 5 days. Skip through that, dig back deep, because everybody got some deepness in their closet, but they don't know how to tap into it. And when you come to this channel, I'll show you how to do it. I'm gonna show you. Now, check it out. We got the fashion. But see, how about if we just go just a little bit higher? Y'all want me to show y'all how to go a little bit higher with your fashion? Put some fires in the chat then. If y'all want to see me just take this scarf, a simple scarf, and turn it and twist it into something else. Now Yoda said higher. Got the fires in the chat too. Show Shorty say, big bro, you styling for real. Man, check this out. My job is to make y'all use your imagination, to push you in your back, right? So I'm talking about get out there and use your imagination. Don't be scared. Push in your back. For example, take this one off. How about you put this black, yellow, and blue one on? You see what I'm talking about? Watch this. Look at that. Boy, that's fast. I can wear it just like that. Boy. Let me do it the right way. Let me make sure y'all are looking at what I'm looking at. See? I want y'all to look at what I'm looking at. You put it on like that. Boy. That's fashion. That's fashion. Just like that. Whew, boy. Y'all better. It's the Western GQ, man. I don't mean nothing by it. See, a lot of people don't like this kind of stuff. They think I'm trying to show out, be flamboyant, and try to, you know what I'm saying? No. It's not about me. It's about me giving a piece of me to you. I'm trying to show you what you can do. I'm just trying to show you. I'll say he fly. Bob Ross, Yolanda. What's up, Yolanda? She said the Bob Ross cabin is almost finished. It's almost finished, but we got a long way to go. We do. Boy, you take that scarf, man, if you want to, and you can just tie it just like this. Look at that, boy. And then on the back, man. And then, how about instead of your black ones, you put your blue ones on. Woo, man, that's kind of cool. See, armor. I call your shade game is your full armor of your fashion. See, you got selections, black. See, the black match my belt. See, look, the rhinestones in my belt match the rhinestones in my shades, right? But if that's not good enough, I love you. Put these hearts on. See, look, I love you. If that's not high enough, how about these? So did you like that segment? Did you realize that you are a king? You are a king. So hey, embrace who you are and showcase it in your fashion. So let's keep the fashion going. Let's enjoy this next episode, Western GQ, with fashion and a whole lot of fashion.